Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my Bazooka rocket launcher. This is fairly a easy model to fold. So you're going to you need a square piece of paper, and you're going to make a boat base. Okay, so you fold it in half. And you fold it the other way in half. Then you're going to bring the edge to the center line like this. And you bring the other edge to the center line. And you're going to bring this edge now also to the center. Same thing here. And you're going to open this pocket here and make like a triangular shape. Open it up and you're going to fold it down like so. And do that for all the sides. Okay, and bring these pieces down and fold it in half. Like so. Okay. Now make sure the slant is on the top, and you're going to bring the top side down to the bottom like so. Then you're going to bring the bottom back flap and then you're going to fold it down like so. Okay, make sure the center is facing backwards. Or on the back. Then now you're gonna first fold in the triangle, that little point, and you're gonna fold this back, maybe pre-crease it before, then unfold, then kind of open this pocket here, and I'm going to bring this whole thing back like so. This is going to be the stock for the Bazooka. And now you're going to fold into shape, so bring the back about halfway to the square here, and also the side, the bottom side, bring it around halfway there like that. Okay, now you're going to fold this down from that crease line here. Okay, this, and bring the up to the stock, and bring the back side to the front like this, and fold in that triangle. Okay, and now you're going to fold this whole piece in half, and make sure you careful here because there's a thick fold here. So and fold in the little triangles. Okay, and kind of fold this piece in half. Okay, and zigzag fold this up to that corner. Fold it back down, and kind of stretch out this top side a bit like that so it cones out, and kind of fold in the bottom side also so it cones out like that. Oh, it's kind of crooked. So here's my bazooka. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.